This is Dustin from Flip Flop Speed Shop, and I'm here with Green Bean, taking a break from the norm. Lambo's in the shop. I'll get back to that. But before this truck leaves, I want to do a little walk around of it and let everybody know what it's about. So Green Bean is a 50 model Chevrolet. It was a 3800 10-foot bed. It's sitting on a late model S10 chassis. It's got a 383 stroker motor in it. It's lowered 3 and 4, but with the V8 in it, it actually lowers it 4 and 4. So that's pretty good. It's got turbo mufflers on it. It's actually pretty quiet. I've got the fuel filler in the bed. Frame's all painted, new tires, American Racing wheels. It's got taillights, signals, headlights. Electric van. Aluminum radiator, power brakes. It's got some original writing, which is really hard to see here. 138, really cool firewall. New glass. Oh, that door's locked. Let me flip around here. It's the interior. Original seat. Tons of storage under here. It's carpeted. The seat just flips up. All the gauges work. Headlights. Oh yeah, all the vents work. There's a vent. And no working clothes. About it for the walk around. Let's go for a little drive. Taillights on. Headlights on. All right, let's go for a drive. Three-speed. It's a little loud. These iPhones really pick up a lot of noise. The truck's really not that loud. All right, here we go. A ride-along video. The truck's loud, and these mics on these iPhones really exaggerate the sound. It's really not that bad, but wanted to give a little ride along here. Got about 283 miles on it. Drive straight. signals. Temperatures all run cool, good oil pressure, fuel gauge works. Love this thing. Little lady run. Got power brakes. Stops really good. Oh yeah. Well, there she is. The Green Bean 50 model. 21-day build. Owned for 3 years.